Hello, in this video I will be comparing two of the most known programming languages, Python and Java. The video will deeply discuss various aspects of these two programming languages. If you're ready, let's dive in. To give you an idea about the popularity of these two programming languages, let's start with the results of the Stack Overflow annual developer survey conducted in 2024. According to the survey, 51% of the respondents use Python. On the other hand, approximately 30% of the respondents use Java. The survey results clearly show that Python is more preferred than Java. But why is that? To find out, let's discuss the advantages of Python over Java. Ease of learning and use. Simpler syntax. Python's syntax is more concise and readable, making it easier for beginners to learn and use. Rapid development. Prototyping. Python is ideal for rapid prototyping because it allows for quick and iterative development. Dynamic typing. Python uses dynamic typing, reducing the need to define data types explicitly. Versatility. A variety of use cases. Python is widely used in areas such as data science, machine learning, web development, automation, scripting, and more. Libraries and frameworks. Python offers an extensive collection of libraries and frameworks like NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, Flask, and Django, which simplify development in various domains. Performance in development time. Faster development cycles. While Python may not match Java's runtime performance in all cases, its speed in writing and testing code often makes development faster. After discussing the advantages of Python over Java, let's now look at the advantages of Java over Python. Performance. Java is generally faster than Python because it is compiled into bytecode, which runs on Java Virtual Machine, whereas Python is interpreted and executed line by line. Strong typing. Java uses static typing, which helps the developers catch type-related errors at compile time, reducing bugs and improving code reliability. Also, explicit type declarations make Java programs less prone to runtime errors. Widespread enterprise adoption. Java is the dominant language for enterprise development due to frameworks like Spring, Hibernate, and Java EE. Write once, run everywhere. Java's virtual machine ensures that code written on one platform can run on any other platform without modification. This feature is often more robust than Python's cross-platform execution. Memory management. Java's garbage collector is automatic but offers developers control over memory management strategies, helping optimize performance. Okay, now let's talk about money. Which programming language pays you more? I will categorize salaries in terms of different conditions like experience and location. In general, Python developers often earn slightly higher salaries because of Python's dominance in high-demand fields like data science, machine learning, and AI. On the other hand, salaries are also competitive for Java developers, especially in enterprise and backend development roles. Moreover, Java's dominance in enterprise applications, Android development, and financial systems ensures demand. Here you can see the salaries for Python and Java for different experience levels. Regional differences. United States. Python developers in tech hubs like Silicon Valley, Seattle, or NYC often earn more than Java developers due to the demand in AI and data science. Java developers have strong demand in financial and enterprise sectors. Europe. Salaries for both are lower than in the US, but Python often leads in data-driven industries. Asia. Salaries are generally lower than in Western countries, but Java often dominates due to its prevalence in enterprise and Android development. In the light of all of this information, we can draw a conclusion. Choose Python if you're interested in data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, cloud computing, or quick development. Choose Java if you prefer enterprise level development, backend systems, or Android app development. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.